Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating the simple power causes. Swap in fresh batteries or fully charge the pack because low voltage causes dropouts. Once done, connect the controller with a good one. 5 to 2 meter USB cable and test wired. This confirms whether wireless is the problem. Next, power cycle your console or PC and reset the controller by holding the pairing button about 10 seconds. These first steps isolate power and basic connectivity, so you can focus on deeper fixes if needed. Now you tackle wireless stability and drivers. Install the latest system updates and update the controller firmware through the Xbox Accessories app because firmware fixes many disconnect bugs. Make sure to minimize interference. Move other Bluetooth devices and the Wi-Fi router at least 1 to 2 meters away and switch to 4 GHz Wi-Fi channels if possible. On PC, uninstall and reinstall Bluetooth drivers or use the official Xbox wireless adapter for a more robust link. These steps correct software and radio. Finish by performing a controller reset and clean repair. Remove power, hold the sync and power sequence, then repair to the console or PC. This clears lingering pairing glitches. Make sure to test the controller on a different console or PC. If it still disconnects, you've likely got a hardware fault. If problems persist, document what you tried, note the serial number, and contact support or consider replacement. Quick troubleshooting tip. Keep one known good cable and one tested adapter handy to rule out accessories fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.